Envato Elements is a platform that offers a subscription-based service providing access to a vast library of digital assets, including graphic templates, stock photos, audio tracks, and more. While users primarily pay a subscription fee to access these resources, here's how you can potentially make money on Envato Elements. Become a contributor. Apply to become a contributor on Envato Elements. If accepted, you can submit your own high-quality digital assets, such as graphics, templates, or audio tracks, to be featured on the platform. Create and sell unique designs. Develop unique and in-demand designs or templates that cater to the needs of Envato Elements subscribers. The more your items are downloaded or used, the more you can earn. Regularly update your portfolio. Keep your portfolio fresh by regularly adding new and relevant digital assets. This can increase your visibility and potential earnings. Optimize keywords and descriptions. Pay attention to keyword optimization and create compelling descriptions for your items. This enhances the discoverability of your assets on the platform. Promote your portfolio. Share your Envato Elements portfolio on social media, personal websites, or other platforms to attract more users and potential buyers.